Hello, welcome back to MeximCalc. This will be a short video on all the new features MeximCalc has to offer as of 2024. In addition to a revamped website and a dark mode, we have three main new features. These include computational resources, a marketplace for apps so you can monetize your work, and some premium features. First off, we have computational resources. When running your apps, you can now choose more advanced resources. This includes up to 7 days of computational time, 16 CPUs, 120 gigabytes of RAM, and 200 gigabytes of disks. The base option is still free, but as you use more resources, there will be a cost. In addition, apps can now run in the background. So, for example, you could leave your app running for 5 days and come back to it. And you can view an execution history and results for all your long-running apps. Secondly, you can now sell your apps on MeximCalc. When editing your app, you can set a monthly subscription fee that other users have to pay in order to access your app. MeximCalc does take a portion of this subscription fee, and there is more information in our documentation. Finally, we are proud to offer MeximCalc Premium. This is a paid feature that includes unlimited private apps. You can now generate apps with an AI chatbot or even ask for help with documentation. You can create your own custom Python environments with custom Python packages. There are some handy features such as conditional inputs and dynamic tables that you can use while creating your apps. Additionally, input groups can be organized into tabs. To learn more about MeximCalc Premium, please visit our pricing page that is linked below in the description. That was just a quick overview of the three main additions that we made to our website. This includes computational resources, the ability to price and sell your apps, as well as some premium features to make app development faster. Thank you very much for taking the time to learn with us, and happy coding on MeximCalc.